Hi there. So, I've been having some thoughts about the debate between free will and determinism. I don't believe in free will, um, and I believe in determinism to the extent that all things in the world seem to be determined by all effects in the world have preceding causes. And in this video, I basically want to talk about how the existence, if it does exist, of quantum reactions which are random, even if this interferes with determinism, how it doesn't help the case for free will. Basically, case against free will is like this. Any thought in our mind is either randomly generated, in which case we have no control over it, or it's controlled by external factors. So it's influenced by external stimuli which our senses detect. It's controlled by chemicals in the brain, and therefore chemical reactions. All these chemical reactions have preceding chemical reactions, lots of which would have taken place outside the body. And all our thoughts and all the chemical reactions involved in our thoughts have themselves preceding causes, such that any thought we have is determined by factors that we can't control. So any choice that we make is therefore not really a free choice. We have will, because we can will to do an action, but there's only ever one action that we can do. And a good way to think about it is, if you rewind time, don't change anything and play it again, the exact same thing will happen, because all the chemical reactions and physical reactions going on in the world will turn out to produce the exact same effect. Now, modern quantum mechanics, I'm not an expert in quantum mechanics, but modern quantum mechanics says this is actually wrong, that if you went back in time and played the whole videotape over again, because of the truly random nature of particles decaying, of quantum and other quantum phenomena, if you played the tape again, different things might happen. And people say, snap, that's the end of determinism, therefore we have free will. But there's a problem. Because these very quantum reactions themselves are random, we therefore have no control over them. Our minds can't control when an atom is going to decay, when one subatomic particle is going to appear, and when another is going to disappear, whatever happens at the subatomic level. Therefore, we don't have any will, we don't have any control over when these particles decay. So the quantum element doesn't change the free will argument, because even if it nullifies classical determinism, we still don't have control over these subatomic reactions, and ultimately we don't have control over any of our actions. They're all externally and temporally predestined.